Hey there. So today we're gonna talk about the butt wink. We're gonna describe what it is and how to fix it. I'll also show you my workout, which you should try out. Let's go. The butt wink. It is also known as anterior pelvic tilt. So basically, when you're squatting and you get to a certain point, your butt or your pelvis starts tilting. It kind of tilts underneath you, and that causes your lower back to round, which is not good. It's no bueno. So why does this even happen? Well, shortly put, it's because your glutes and your hamstrings are not flexible enough. They don't stretch as much as they should. Well, how do you fix it, you may ask? It's quite simple, but it takes a while. So I'm going to show you what you should adjust in your training or your squats in order to avoid the winking of your butt. And it's quite simple. So let's get started with the solution first. Since it is a mobility issue, which means that your muscles are too tight, they don't have the flexibility to stretch far enough in order to let you squat all the way down without tugging on your pelvis and making it wink. So you gotta stretch your muscle enough so that your pelvis, as you squat, remains in the same position. But that is gonna take you about a month to see some kind of result. So until then, what, you do not squat anymore? Of course you do. It's just that you have to adjust the way you squat, and I'll show you how. So I'm gonna do this barefoot, and I'll hold my t-shirt real tight so that you can get to see my pelvis tilt and my lower back flatten out and even curve the other way, which it is not supposed to be doing. So as I squat down, everything is fine. My lower back is good. My pelvis is real good. So I'm squatting lower. Everything is fine up until this point. But if I go lower, my lower back starts flattening out and my pelvis starts to tilt. And then once I'm down, it's completely winked and my lower back is messed up. So if I'm carrying some weight, it's gonna put me at risk at a lower back injury. So then I come back up. So then you may ask me, Victor, what do I do in order to avoid an injury? Well, for starters, don't go that low. And that's it. Just go as low as you can without having your butt winking. And that's it. You're still gonna have a great workout without the risk of running an injury.
But Victor, these are not full reps.
Well, it's either you do this or you run the risk of getting an injury. Which one do you like? I'm not saying that you should be doing these half reps or quarter reps for the rest of your life. No, work on your flexibility and then slowly adjust your squat. I'm not gonna show you how to stretch in this video because there's plenty of videos on hip mobility on YouTube. Just Google hip mobility and you're gonna find plenty. So now let's have a look at my workout that you should be doing as well, especially if you're trying to build muscle naturally without the use of steroids. Because at the end of the day, this is what the channel is about: building muscle, health and fitness, weight loss, everything without the use of steroids. If you want to see more videos like this, where you get to learn about basic biomechanics, where you learn about workouts, where you learn about certain exercises, where you learn how to work out, where you can grow together with me, then I suggest you follow me because I'm going to be posting 5 videos a week, every week. And now, let's watch my workout. you're still here? Well, in that case, you gotta smash the like button, you gotta leave a comment, and you're gonna subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.